When working in flexible modeling, if you need to remove surface geometry, such as holes, from either a solid or a quilt, the Remove tool can take care of it quickly. You can find the Remove tool in the Edit Features ribbon group of the Flexible Modeling tab. First, select the feature. Here we're going to select this hole, and click on the Remove tool. We can also remove this round, yet keep its surfaces. Just head over to the Options tab where you can find the Keep Removed Surfaces option. That ensures the selected surfaces are removed from the solid and kept for later use. When you're dealing with a selected surface that has multiple contours, the Exclude Contours option in the Options tab will help you collect the contour you want. The Leave Open option in the Features dashboard will allow for a solid or closed quilt to be changed into an open quilt. In this case, the solid part is opened up and changed into an open quilt.